Hello everybody. I recently picked up this model HL-2270DW Brother laser printer. I really like this printer a lot. Number one, because it's a laser. Number two, the cartridges are pretty inexpensive. You can get a lot of pages out of the high capacity cartridge. And it has both USB networking and wireless connectivity. So it's a great printer, especially when you can pick them up for free. The person donating it on Craigslist said it jammed frequently, but also included a brand new toner cartridge and drum. And since I have this model and I really like how it performs, I jumped at the opportunity to pick up those free supplies. It would jam pretty frequently, every 3, 4, 5 pages. It would jam, it'd print a couple pages fine, then it would jam again. One of the things you can do is open the rear exit flap and see if that eliminates your paper jam. Sometimes just a more direct path to the paper, exiting straight out the back of the machine rather than curling back up and coming out of this tray, will keep your paper from jamming. So that's one tip for you might want to consider. I was able to fix it. Let me show you what I did. First thing, pull the paper cassette tray out, and you see there's two rollers here. There's actually a roller here and a pickup pad here. All I did was I put a little bit of acetone on a rag. I'm pretty sure rubbing alcohol will work, but just use either of these chemicals very sparingly. Carefully clean that roller off, clean that pickup pad, and then flipped up to the bottom of the machine, cleaned up all these rollers here, these gray rollers here, 3 of them here. Just wipe them with the acetone, as well as this roller here and this roller here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rollers, and then this separation pad. I have gone through a ream of paper without a single jam. So cleaning up those rollers fixed this printer for me, and maybe it will for you. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful or informative, how about a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel.